When it comes to marriage proposals, it's important to remember that saying yes isn't always the best choice. There are many valid reasons for rejecting a proposal, such as uncertainty about the relationship, not feeling compatible, or having concerns about important aspects of marriage. If you're feeling nervous about commitment, there are resources available to help overcome that fear. If pressure from others becomes overwhelming, it's okay to politely deflect their questions and suggestions. Taking time to reevaluate the relationship and seeking advice from professionals or trusted friends can be helpful. Try to remember that it's not in your best interest to make big, personal life decisions based on outside influences, or for the wrong reasons. It's crucial to be clear on why you don't want to get married and to address these feelings honestly. Communicating openly with your partner about any concerns regarding the future of your relationship.